Most people think they're losing money in the stock market because they picked the wrong stock. But no. The real reason is way more sneaky. There are two mistakes that quietly destroy more wealth than bad stock picks ever will. And the crazy part? Almost everyone makes both. The first mistake alone can cost you over $500,000. The second? Nearly $500,000 more. Yes, that's $1 million. Gone. Not stolen, not scammed. Just evaporated. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake number 1. Fees. Not the obvious ones. Not the $10 brokerage fee you complain about. I'm talking about the tiny, microscopic, barely notice it fees. Imagine 2 investors. Both start with 10 grand. Both invest for 40 years. Both get the exact same market return. The only difference? One pays a 1% annual fee. The other pays almost nothing. Now 1% sounds harmless, right? Like, oh no, they took $1 from my 100. Guess I'll survive. But over 40 years, the low fee investor ends up with over $1 million. The 1% fee investor ends up with, drumroll, $522,000 less. Half a million dollars gone. Because of a tiny number you ignored. A 1% fee didn't cost him 1%. It cost him half his future. Why? Because every dollar you lose today doesn't just disappear, it takes all its future babies with it. All the compound growth that dollar would have created, gone too. Which brings us to mistake number 2. Mistake number 2. Waiting. Let's compare 2 people. Lisa starts investing at 25. Mark starts at 35. Same investments, same returns, same monthly contributions. Just a 10-year difference. At retirement, Lisa ends up with over $1 million. Mark ends up with $461,000 less. That 10-year delay cost him almost $500,000. Not because he invested less, not because he picked worse stocks, but because he gave his money less time to grow. Time is the cheat code. Time is the multiplier. Time is the part everyone underestimates. Both mistakes, fees and waiting, have the same root cause. Money sitting somewhere it isn't growing. Either stuck in a high fee fund or stuck in your bank account doing absolutely nothing. The fix? Check your expense ratio today. And if you haven't started investing yet, the cost of waiting another year is bigger than it feels. Start with whatever you can. Even $50 a month. Because time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. 2 mistakes. Over $1 million in lost wealth. And both can be fixed in the next 5 minutes. If this changed how you think about your money, that's exactly why this channel exists. Hit subscribe and tell me in the comments, did you know your fund's expense ratio before this video?